Hello everyone, welcome to ITCS Master. I hope you are all doing well. So, today we are going to discuss 18th part of ongoing Excel series. We have already covered 17 parts. Okay, if you have not seen yet, please visit. Last week, last week we discussed count ifs and count if and count ifs, okay, and some ifs. So if you have not visited yet, please visit, and if you are new to this channel, please subscribe and share. So let's begin today. This channel is made especially for Excel's, Word, PowerPoint tutorial, SQL database, IT, networking, hardware, that's all. Okay, so for today is 18 part. So today we are going to discuss some few formulas like trim, power, mode and floor. Okay, it's a mathematic formula and it's very important formula if you working any office and you are working as a data entry operator. So it's very useful. So let's start. So first we see what is trim. Okay, trim used for trim used for removing the space. Okay, trim used for removing the space. So let's see definition. Here trim, you can see definition: remove all space from a text string. Okay, remove all space from a text string except for a single space between words. Okay, only single words go, and only it is it is not removing. Okay, it is not removing space between single space. Okay, for single space. So let's start and understand trim. Okay, suppose I have a space and here you can see result is eng. Here you can see, here we have two spaces before eng. Okay, for better understanding, I will use length. Okay, suppose length we have already covered. What is length written the number of characters in a text string. So length, and here you can see eng. Here you can see what is length. Okay, what is length of this character is 5, but if you see, it is only 3 character, but actually this is 5 character. For removing this space, we will use trim. Here you can see now eng. For so if we find length after trim, then then length is 3. Okay, enter. Here you can see without trim length is 5, length b2. Okay, similarly if we use trim, then length is 3. I hope it is clear. If you have large data, then it's very useful formula. Okay, similarly we can see again. Here I have given one species. Here you can see. Okay, I have given one species. Here you can see eng. Okay, here you can see it is not removing space between between a single space. Okay, between a word for a single space. Here you can see, here is a one space for a word. Okay, but it is not removing, it is showing same. Okay, also here is length is 4. Also it is counting this length. Okay, it is counting this length. But if I give one more space, then let's see what happened. Here I have given one more space. Here you can see again it is showing with single space, and also length is same. Okay, so it is trimmed. If we check this without trim, then total length is 7. Total length is 7. I hope it is clear. If you have any doubt, just post your comment. And for this working sheet, you can download this from our Telegram channel. Our channel link is mentioned in description box. Okay, I hope it is clear. Now next is power. Power is used for return the result of a number raised to a power. Okay, if we want to find a power, means square, cube, anything which you want to find, okay, you can use power. Okay, for power equal power and number. Suppose I need a 5, I am taking simple number for understanding better. I want to square of 5. Okay, 5 and power, suppose square 2. Okay, I want to square of 5, then answer is 25. Similarly, if I want to square cube of 5, if I want to cube of 5, then power, and here you can see 5 and here is cube. Okay, here is 125. So you can find any number power, okay, using power option, power function. Okay, I hope it is clear. Okay, if you have doubt, just post your comment. Okay, and if you are new to this channel, please like and share and subscribe with other friends and groups. Okay, thank you. Now next is mode. What is mode? Mode used for finding the reminder. Okay, if you have a number and you want reminder, then we will use mode function. Okay, let's see how will I use. And mode, here you can see mode. I have taken mode, and here you can see definition of mode. Mode, return the reminder after a number. Okay, return the reminder after a number is divided by a divisor. Okay, what is reminder? Okay, after divisor. Okay, so mode, suppose I have taken this and I want to divide with this. Okay, and then answer. Here you can see answer is 29. Answer is 29. Similarly, if you want to take another number, simple number. Okay, I'm taking mode for better understanding. I'm taking simple number. Okay, suppose I'm taking 11 and I want to divide 11 with 5. So what is reminder? Reminder is 1. So here you can see 1. Similarly, if you suppose you have a 53, mode board 53, and I want to divide this suppose 3. Okay, 3, and here you can see answer is 2. Okay, answer is 2. I hope it is clear. Okay, I've taken 3. Okay, so I hope it is clear. Now next is, okay, I'm just control Z. Okay, you can download this working sheet from our Telegram channel. Okay, I'm not removing any value. Next is floor. Floor use round a number. Okay, I hope you are aware about round. Okay, round, floor use for round a number down the nearest multiple of significance. Number down means first. Okay, down to the nearest multiple of the significance. Let's understand. Here suppose I have a number, I suppose I have a number 51 and I want to divide this 5. So nearest, what is nearest multiple of 5? What is nearest multiple of 5? This is nearest multiple of 5. What is 50? So answer will be 50. You can say 50. Similarly, if I take suppose 49. Okay, no, suppose I'm again taking 51 and taking 7. So what is nearest value which will divide by 7? Okay, which will divide by 7? So I think 49. So answer will be 49. So here you can see 49. You can check any number. What do you want? Okay, I hope it is clear. Okay, if you haven't that, just post your comment, and next video we will cover HLOOKUP or VLOOKUP. Okay, so for next video, further video, please subscribe and like and share this. Okay, thank you. Dhanyavad.